one's for Eddie. I know you're looking down on me from high. Someday I'm gonna be up there and join you, buddy. That's right. How you feeling, people?